बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most amazing and very different macrama wall hanging ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing macrama wall hanging ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You can make these macrama wall hanging at home very easily. If you don't know about how to make these type of macrama wall hanging, then you go to YouTube and watch tutorials about these macrama wall hangings, and then you make these macrama wall hangings at home very easily. And if you purchase these macramas from different websites and from market, so viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. And you also leave the comment in the comment section, and you must tell me about how much you like this video. And you also watch different type of tutorial, different type of craft work on my channel about pebble craft and different other craft. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section, and then I will upload those videos on my channel. These are very amazing, very unique, and very beautiful macrame wall hanging decorations for your home decor. And this is very pretty, and I personally like these type of macramas wall hanging. And you also enjoy this type of craft work, and stay tuned, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos, follow for more details, and be happy. Always think positive, always be positive. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.